Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this video I'm going to be talking about a little trick I thought of, and luckily it seems like it's working, for planting papaya seeds in the soil directly instead of transplanting them or purchasing papaya trees from the store. And we're going to talk about that right now. I've always planted and grown papayas successfully to fruiting, but when the winter comes and it's heavy rain, not so much the frost, but the heavy rains usually rot the roots out and I lose a papaya. So I thought to myself, this time around, let's try to grow papaya from seed directly sown into the ground. Now in the past, I've always had issues with pill bugs or earwigs or whatever other insect would come around. Once those seeds germinated, they would eat the leaves down to the stub. It's gone. You can't even see the papaya seedling anymore. Even the stem of the papaya is gone. Well, my thinking is by growing the seeds in the ground, they're going to do much better than transplanted papayas. We'll find that out though come next year. But right now, let me show you the experiment I did and my thought process in it. So I knew this area had a little bit more healthier of soil since I used to raise quail here for over a year. Since my largest parsley I've ever grown, this one almost grew up to 6 feet tall. It's flopped over right now, but if it was standing upright, it's like this tall. So I knew something was special about this area. And hence why one of my other videos with moringa, why this moringa is probably doing a lot better than my other ones that have been established more than this one. But regardless, back to the papaya. I thought, well, I wonder if I put my papaya seeds here, they would grow a lot better. So I planted the papaya seeds almost about 2 months ago. I forgot how long they take to germinate. So if you plant papaya seeds, don't give up on them. Give them about 30 days. But I knew in the past that if I put seeds in the ground directly, they would be eaten. But I always notice that the bugs eat my plants. They don't eat the clover or the chickweed. They don't eat things like that. So I thought, I wonder, as you can see how tall this parsley is now, but I wondered if I planted the seeds amongst the weeds. And I almost gave up because I didn't see anything for over a month. And I started seeing the papayas. Can you see them right here? There's a whole row of them. There's more right here. The whole row of them. There's probably 100 papaya seeds in a 6-foot lane that I planted where these flags are. So I never ever can get to this point, and it was, in my opinion, the reason why this happened is because the bugs go through this and they go, there can't be nothing good here. Let's go around and find something edible. But they don't know in the center of this weed forest is a string of papayas. It's working. Amazing. Let's hope it still works for them to go to maturity. And then I'll thin out the weakest ones to make only like 3 or 4 in this area. So if you're having issues growing papayas from seed directly sown into the ground, try something like this. Find a place where you have abundant weeds, plant your seeds among them, and see what happens. Alright everyone, happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe.